time around, we talk palaba Ndamba. Una know say indomitable Lionnesse system. They come out number 3 for futsal African Cup of Nations. Cameroon we get suspension because so last edition Cameroon no become be go. The other last edition Cameroon no be there. So futsal Confederation for Africa they be sanctioned Cameroon. So Cameroon you don't take his sanction so they take a the thing don't so the sanction can't finish. Now for a long time now the first time Cameroon they participate. So people they know they happy now they get right for no happy. One day they happy they get right for happy because that girl they don't try after long period where they don't participate for futsal competition. They come they turn they play so they come on number 3. So we say wait congratulations to all that get them and then congratulations too for their technical team because that technical team them they carry them go through that victory. So the victory only be possible thanks to the collaboration with the technical crew. So they come out number 3. They win Angola 4-1. 4-1 winning for futsal against Angola. That get whereas they know play around that bar. And with the way to say me man begin futsal can see how it go happen. But Cameroon go far too for day. Now so the team day countryman, countrywoman. Countrywoman. When we talk palaba Ndamba again, what happen? Manchester United, they win Bilbao yesterday for semi-finals for European League. 1, 2, 3. And Onana, a happy plenty, happy past place. Now so the thing happen, countryman, countrywoman. He happy. So say congratulations for Andrew Onana. Congratulations for Manchester United. The away leg, it will take place more time. We hope say go pass the way, go pass. And then Andre go finals. The last time we play final for Europa League, na 2017. If we see there with the Ajax for Amsterdam. On understand no countryman, countrywoman. So na so the team day, it day for the way it day the way it day. Now, yesterday we been a Labor Day. Labor Day no na day we woman the labor because one month no. Na day for work at them because what I talk about people say Labor Day. Some man begin things saying that because say for born a woman they choose my belly one born no. Now Worker Day, International Workers Day. This International Worker Day, countrywoman, it take place all over the world. For some countries, for this for the where what's happen for the with the country them now they begin they how they call that thing the manifestation and since the strike they organize strike they organize action them for their rights. For Cameroon, even a total celebration. A pass fine for all place. See what the top about football. Fikafood, the president with all the worker them. They for Oja where they go meet up. They if he pass fine for day, the waka that way, the waka countryman, countrywoman. We'll come back, we'll talk our own. But before we talk our own countryman, countrywoman, but we'll talk about this MMA Africa where the man they prepare them. Kola Sucre, he prepare MMA Africa where he go enter competition with other Perica. Yes. So the total preparation. The Perica name na Steve Lecofac, and Kola Sucre they prepare so that they go unless on competition they go enter for again Ivorian then for Africa MMA League na for Abidjan where it go take place. So they prepare themselves, countrywoman. Say when the time come, may they enter, they go make the thing happen where it go happen. For bodybuilding, Cameroon, he get a very brilliant performance. Brilliant performance for Blue Fountain now for South Africa. So Cameroon win 10 medal for gold and then 3 for silver. And then Cameroon consolidate a place for the top country them for Africa. 10 gold medal and then 3 silver medal. The best palmarès for the competition. So say congratulations for Cameroon. Congratulations for all una. That's all the thing. It happened, countryman, countrywoman.